Welcome back to our channel. Today the Maruti Suzuki Omni van 2025 marks the return of an iconic vehicle that has been a household name in India for decades. Known for its affordability, practicality, and spacious design, the Omni has been a preferred choice for families, small businesses, and commercial use. The 2025 model aims to retain the van's essence while incorporating modern features, improved safety, and better fuel efficiency. The design of the new Omni stays true to its boxy, compact nature but features updated aesthetics. It now comes with a more aerodynamic shape, a redesigned front grille, sleeker headlights, and stylish bumpers. The new LED lighting elements add a contemporary touch, making it more visually appealing while maintaining its utility-driven persona. The sliding doors continue to provide easy access, and the spacious interior ensures ample legroom and cargo space. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni is expected to feature a fuel-efficient 1.2 liters petrol engine, optimized for city driving and long hauls. Maruti Suzuki may also offer a CNG variant, making it a cost-effective option for commercial users. The engine is likely to be paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring easy maneuverability in urban traffic. With improved fuel economy figures and a refined suspension setup, the new Omni delivers a comfortable and efficient drive. Safety has been a major focus in the 2025 iteration. Unlike its predecessor, which lacked modern safety features, the new Omni is expected to come with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure to meet modern crash safety norms. These additions ensure that the van is safer for both passengers and cargo transport. Inside, the cabin sees a significant upgrade with a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, and better quality upholstery. The addition of power steering and air conditioning in higher variants makes it more comfortable for daily commutes. The practicality remains intact with multiple storage compartments and foldable seats for enhanced cargo capacity. Maruti Suzuki is expected to price the Omni 2025 competitively, keeping it within reach of small businesses and budget-conscious buyers. With its reputation for low maintenance costs and widespread service network, the new Omni is set to reclaim its position as one of the most practical vans in India. Whether for family use, school transportation, or commercial purposes, the 2025 Omni continues the legacy of its predecessors with added modernity and reliability.